Go.
Okay, so our Goldberg machine is going to start with kinetic energy when we push the button to elastic potential. It's going to be in the spring that launches a car at a tambourine, kinetic to sound energy.
And then this tambourine is going to hit this set of dominoes right here, which has kinetic energy, and this ice cube has gravitational potential energy. So it's going to be kinetic to gravitational potential energy. And when the ice is going to fall into the hot water, it's going to be thermal. So it's kinetic to gravitational potential energy to kinetic to thermal energy. Tambourine will also hit this set of dominoes right here, which is kinetic energy. And there's vinegar in here and baking soda in this bowl, and it's gonna hit, so it's gonna be kinetic to gravitational potential energy to kinetic to chemical energy.
This tambourine will also hit these 2 cups of water with an Alka-Seltzer tablet balanced on them. So the kinetic energy that the cups will now have, which is transferred from the tambourine, will then let the gravitational energy, potential energy in the Alka-Seltzer tablet be converted to kinetic as it falls into the water, and then the Alka-Seltzer tablet will dissolve, converting the kinetic energy of it being in the water to chemical. And then this set of dominoes right here will also, with the help of the golf ball and the tambourine here, will hit this purple bouncy ball. When its gravitational potential energy is converted to kinetic as it falls, the kinetic energy will be converted to electromagnetic as the ball lights up when it hits the ground. Also, the golf ball right here, when its gravitational potential energy will be converted to kinetic as it falls on the table, it will bounce a little bit. And then the kinetic energy will then be converted into elastic potential energy, which will then be converted back to kinetic energy as it bounces back up.
Then you have, so the dominoes here, the kinetic energy from the dominoes will hit this car, which has gravitational potential energy, and gravity will bring the car down and hit this. So the kinetic it will be kinetic to EM spectrum in the form of light. Then this cord through electrical energy will go through, and it will go to the speaker, and the speaker will give off sound, and also the computer will light up
when it hits the
when it hits the yeah.
Okay.
Dang.
Yeah.
Didn't work.
Alka-Seltzer tablet.
Hey, that was still pretty good.
Computer.
Now start.
Goldberg, test 8, or trial 8. 3, 2, 1. Take 12. Everything works!
Oh, chemical.
Film it. Film that. Film the thermal.
The water has melted.
And
The ice has melted in the water. The tambourine has made sound. The ball has bounced before it has went.
The ice is melting right
The
now.
ball lit up. The computer is turned on. Sound is transferred to our ears from this. Electrical energy was transferred through this wire, and it all worked out. This is great.